The new double-sided small circular knitting machine solves the unnecessary trouble caused by yarn winding and knotting in the long-term depreciation. Adopt Taiwan technology and production and processing technology, combined with the characteristics of loop-cut fabrics on the market. Application: blankets, carpets, coral threads, carded cotton velvet, sunflower velvet, plush, pine needle velvet, peacock velvet, straw velvet, and various clothing fabrics, etc. This machine is an ideal equipment to replace the warp knitting machine. Many type of cam can be easily changed for wide adjustment range of the organizational structure. It can combine the hook and knife to cut the pile. Also, the hook and knife can work individually to cut the pile. By modifying the track of cam to change the running track of the knife and needle to changing the organizational structure of the fabric. Style and effect of the fabric can meet or even exceed the requirements of warp knitted fabric's quality and is not easy to break. The frame is provided with separate installation rings, which can effectively disperse the resonance points, improve the stability of the machine at high speed and reduce vibration, improve the performance of the machine and prolong its service life. The pile height adjustment range is large. At present, the total length of similar equipment on the market is difficult to exceed 60 millimeters. But this machine has a special design cam, so that the maximum length of the hair can reach 70 millimeters.